Baby.
It's a male or a female?
Lucky.
Lucky na because I see this one there. Ah.
Your baby?
Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh.
That's your baby? See guys, we are here in Naga because the birthday of my best friend Mimi. I wish Vanisha is here. Vanisha, next time come here, ha, Vanisha. See, happy birthday. The pink, yeah, pink lady. Lots of jewelries. Unsa ni nga kuanday? Emerald? Green ba?
Huwag ka baluman.
Kaya ba ko red ruby? Ang kanang sana.
Hindi ako ang birdstone.
Unsa ni mo birdstone?
Puti.
Puti? Unsa nang puti? Ako kay Ruby. Hello, Princess. Hello, happy birthday. It's also his birthday. Hoy, babo. It's birthday also.
Oh, happy birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Guys, nice place. I love their place.
Chuy.
See?
Chuy, baby. Chuy. Oh. Yes, little baby.
Ano nanti, mga unta kay birthday ra ba din nanti sada?
Oh.
Oh.
Very good, baby. Get chuy, baby. Oh.
Oh.
No, it's okay, it's okay.
He likes you. Happy birthday, Mimi. Oh, niya roy, mga on pa kita.
It's okay.
Hari gaw. Kay birthday ra ba nimo gaw?
Hala, gaw. Ali nante.
Birthday mo sada na.
This is Mimi's partner. Salamat, Bem.
No, I remember him.
Happy birthday, Mimi. Happy birthday, Mimi. Dong, iksan ka bibim dong? Okay, pwede mo na.
Balik, baby. Oh.
Koy, di ka mo gunit ng piso, Koy. Ihas mo kining usa, Koy.
Baby.
Same face. You have same face.
No.
You also have lovebirds.
Love butterfly. See? Oh, little baby. Don't be scared.
Koy! Seryoso mga kada kayo. Oo. Pag-hi ko doon nila, Bi. Hello, guys. We are here at Naga. Birthday. Happy birthday also of Nante. Happy birthday. Maganda talaga yung place nila, mga kaibigan. See? Lingaw kayo sa piso, Koy.
No. Uy!
La, ayo! No, do not go there. He says, very dangerous. Come here.
He went away.
No, it's okay. Don't worry. Then you're diving. Go there. Oh my goodness.
Oh, patay na ako.
You're patay na there.
Oh, my flight will be going without me. Oh,
No. Laya ka pa? Laya ta siya. Konti lang piso. Oh, iya pa puli Francis.
This one na lang. Ari na kayo, Koy.
Abala si Trin.
Nabaw ko no kay nabaw.
Nabaw. Bala si Francis.
Diyan, nakasuway ka nga dagang tubig. Ucho ko kitag dagang tubig diha. Nakasuway ka? Mapot diri dili.
Dili non.
I asked her if she had experienced like lots of water there. She said, yeah, sometime.
Kuya Trinib. Mari ka ni.
Kuya dong, 34 edad ni dong. Pila edad mo?
24, 25.
Bata. Very young. Very young, 28.
29.
Francis said he's 29.
29.
I am 18. Di pala edad mo, G. 41 ka, 40.
41.
Lumagawa na ganun ako, 40 man ko.
Wala edad gyud.
Mayra. Oh.
I am sweet 18.
16.5.
So,
Mga liar kay mo eh. You're still liar. Oh, igana ako sa kawas akong cake. Thank you.
Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Fast! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Day to you. Happy birthday, Mimi. Wish. Wish na wish. What is your wish? Pag-wish siya. Oh, yay! Thank you so much. Oh. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Oh, picture sa mong tulubi. Kamu lang tulubi. Bata ba? Okay. One. Okay. 1, 2. Ulitin ko na na-ibim kayo. Wala tayo nga birthday. Sige. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Ngayon na, lagi mo na yung anak. Sana. Oh. As in, you look good with kids.
Sige.
Okay, mga ulata. Mga ulata, mga kaibigan, kain-kain. This is the first time that he's drinking kulafo, guys. It's a red wine. Red wine. First time. Show them that you're strong. Because I'm doing this. I'm recording. Tagay, something.
It's okay.
It's okay. First time. It has ginseng. You something will get angry, but because it's a ginseng. Your banana will get
My
angry.
baby can control. It's not working anymore.
Wala ko na gamit yan. Ay, okay. Largaw na siya ron.
What is it? 28, right?